Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to reinstall OS on Windows VPS. First of all, make sure you are using the Windows VPS service provided by GreenCloud VPS. Now, access your client area through our link as follows. Next, log into your account. In your client area, select the Services tab. Then, continue by selecting My Services. Next, choose the service you want to reinstall to see details. You will be redirected to the Manage Product. Then, click Reinstall Server. Choose the desired OS and click on Reinstall. Now, please wait about 5 to 10 minutes for the reinstallation process to complete. You will see a message after the installation is complete. Then, try to reconnect your Windows VPS through the remote desktop connection and see the result.